Hello everyone, this is Steve. In this video I'm going to walk you through the bowling ball detail report. In the video Metrics and Reporting Part 2, I previewed the original 8 reports inside of BDSS. Bowling ball detail is not part of the original 8, so this video I'll demonstrate how to use it. If you have not used the dynamic reporting capabilities of BDSS, I do suggest you review the Metrics and Reporting Part 2, or at least the beginning of it, to understand how to select a report, a bowler, scope, and filter criteria. So let's get started. From the home screen navigation menu, you'll see under Reports and Queries two submenus, Simple View and Multi-Report Bullet View. For this example, I'm just going to select Simple View. It'll take me to the Select Report form. Under Report, I'm going to choose the Bowling Ball Details Report. For Bowler, I'm going to choose Steve Bowler. Under Wild, I'm going to keep it as Bowling Any, but there are other options where you can choose while bowling as a baker, or bowling as a substitute, or bowling as not a substitute. But again, I'm just going to keep Bowling Any, which will give me all frames except frames when Steve bowled as a baker bowler. Under Scope, for this example, I'm going to choose Tournament, and for scoring format, I'm just going to keep Regular. And I will click Select Report Criteria, and for now I will not select any additional criteria and just click Run. And what returns is a list of every bowling ball used by Steve Bowler during Tournament Bowl, providing key metrics about each bowling ball. There are 5 sections of metrics, and let me scroll down to Lord Field Blizzard Rush to use as an example. In section 1 is games used as a strike ball. So this section provides the total games completed and an average for those games for each bowling ball when used as a strike ball for greater than or equal to 1 frame in each game, 5 frames, 7 frames, or 10 frames. So here you see that Steve used Lord Field Blizzard Rush in 11 games of at least 1 frame for an average of 213.91. He used the same ball in 6 games for at least 5 frames and 7 frames for an average of 219.33, and Steve used this ball in 4 games of 10 frames for an average of 224.50. Section 2 shows strikes attempts, so this is going to provide strike attempt metrics for each bowling ball, such as total attempts, strikes made, percentage strike success, splits left, and spare ball and first ball average. And spare attempts, this section provides spare attempts metrics for each bowling ball, such as total spare attempts, spares made, percentage spare success, and open frames. BFP strikes made, this section provides the ball finish position, or BFP, for each strike made using the given bowling ball when BFP was tracked. And the last section is BFP strikes not made, and this provides the BFP for each strike attempted but not made using the given bowling ball when BFP was tracked. And just so you know, strike attempts and BFP metrics always look for pure strikes. So if you selected no tap scoring on the select report form, only no tap games will be filtered, but metrics for those 3 sections are only looking at pure strikes, not no tap strikes. Finally, let me show you an example of filtering for this report. Say, for example, you want to see what bowling ball you previously used at a particular bowling center on a specific lane condition. We can add those filters. Let's go to Select Report Criteria and then Add Edit Report Criteria. I'm going to choose Bowling Center, here it is, and I will choose Kingpin, and then Add More. And then I'm going to filter on shot type, and I will choose standard shot type and then add close. So you can see I've got these 2 rules now. And then I'm going to click Run. And you can see I used 2 bowling balls at this bowling center on a standard lane condition. And based on this, you may be able to help you choose which bowling ball is best to use if you go back to bowl at this bowling center on this lane condition. Okay, so that's it for bowling ball details. Play with it. I really think you're going to like it, and I hope this helped. Please send any questions to tbefeedback@gmail.com and have a great day.